Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The sentencing for the Jamaican cop on drug charges in the United States, it has been postponed. And I want to know, I heard Prime Minister Andrew Holness speaking of the embarrassment that he felt for the dancehall artist Skeng, but I have not heard any kind of reprisal or any kind of admonishment from the Prime Minister for the Jamaican Council. Yeah, Shelian Allen. Greetings, and salutations, to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Road Steve.
Yes, season greetings.
If this is your first time tuning in,
Hey, Deep Roots, man.
hit
How
that
you guys
red
doing out there?
subscribe
We're having
button.
a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale.
We're going to have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen. Shelian Allen, a Jamaican police officer who trafficked over 1,000 grams of cocaine into the United States, must wait a further 6 weeks for her sentencing. Yeah, cause she has sell out somebody. Now, Allen's sentence was set for today, June 15th. The sentencing hearing, however, has been rescheduled for July 27 in the federal court, Fort Lauderdale, according to the U.S. authorities. Allen, who has served over 18 years, is facing a maximum sentence of 40 years in prison, and she should get it. She is an embarrassment to the entire Jamaican constable force. This is what Mr. Holness should be chiming in on. Instead, he's chiming in on the young people life in the dance hall, which most people with any sense know half of this is make-believe. Yoagante, as part of her guilty plea, which she gave in April, she said that the drugs were on and in her body when she landed in Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport on February 3rd after flying from Montego Bay. Allen had more than 1,000 grams of cocaine on her when she arrived, and about 200 grams in her vaginal passage, 143 in her bra, and 690 grams in her stomach. Allen is also accused in the United States of Wisconsin of being the leader of a lottery fraud ring swindling 20 mainly elder Americans out of about $1.69 million. Now those are things that the Jamaican Prime Minister should say he is embarrassed of. Not of Skeng going to Guyana and fanatics responding in a real way like most Jamaicans respond, but only thing we use our mouths and bust a sound to imitate or emulate a weapon. God we feel charged. But what's really embarrassing is a Jamaican cop of over 18 years caught smuggling cocaine in her stomach and in her vagina. I mean, she's wide open, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the 27th of July, Mrs. Shelian Allen will know her fate. At this time, I know their extradition papers probably being written up for Wisconsin, because she ain't gonna get away with this one. The feds grab her she come place herself in their hand. What a maroon! What a fool! 18 years of defrauding the Jamaican government. A dirty cop find herself sitting in Uncle Sam's lap. People, the Prime Minister have the audacity, the gall, after him name himself bro God, after him promote the violent gangsterism, government badness and joholness. People, the Jamaican Constable Force should be embarrassed. The Jamaican Prime Minister should be embarrassed of a 18-year-old veteran, Shelian Allen, a Jamaican police officer that trafficked over 1,000 grams of cocaine on or in her stomach and in her vagina, in her bra. But they're saying that they're embarrassed of Skeng, a dance hall artist that all he did was perform his art on stage. It's the overzealous fans that created the unsafe environment. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV, reporting live. Shelian Allen, the Jamaican police officer that trafficked 1,000 grams of cocaine into the United States, will have to wait a further 6 weeks for her sentencing. It has been rescheduled for the 27th of July. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you have not subscribed as yet. Leave your comment. Let me know if me wrong or me right. If Mr. Holness should be embarrassed of this Jamaican constable officer instead of worrying about Skeng and the overzealous fans that bust off in the crowd in Guyana. A more life and a more joy, and of course people, a more happiness. Yeah.
Greetings, greetings. Yes, season greetings.
About him embarrassed when the police them a
How you guys
smuggle
doing out there? We having a good
things
time,
of
man. We're
foreign.
running Fort